Good morning, this is Trish from Networks Computer Solutions here again, and today we're going to be having another look at Canva for beginners. So today what I wanted to look at is, once you've created your design, can you share it to social media directly from Canva, which is an option for pro users. I also want to show you a difference between pro and free, and also some pricing options. So let's get started in Canva. I'm going to be starting in Canva Pro, and we're looking at a little Facebook post that has been made using one of their pre-made templates. Now, before, what you've been doing to upload your pictures to Facebook is to do them manually, but if you have the professional version of Canva, then you can do them directly with Canva. So over here next to your download link, there's an option here to publish to Facebook. If you left click on that, it will give you the option for Facebook pages that are already connected to your Facebook account. Now, I already have 2 pages linked to my Facebook account, and so I'm just going to choose the Networks Computer Solutions, and then I can add something. Okay, and then I'm just going to go publish now. Now you do have this little option over here on the side, which is to schedule to publish later. We'll have a look at scheduler in another video. We might do that next week. Alright, so I'm just going to click publish now, and it comes up with the standard preparing your design. So we'll just wait for that to finish going all the way across, and it says your design has published. And you can click on the link to load the Facebook post. And as you can see, here's our Facebook post as it appears on our Facebook page. We'll go back to our page and have a look. Okay, so here's our Facebook page and our post appearing on it. So let's have a look at the other options that we've got within Canva. Okay, so our other sharing options, if we click this drop down list here, we've got some other sharing options to either share direct to a Facebook group or to Twitter, or there's some other options with Slack, Tumblr, Pinterest. And if you've got your accounts connected to your Google Drive, then you can also save to your Google Drive. You can also direct import into MailChimp, LinkedIn, or other options as well. So there's some great ideas that come with Canva for you to be able to publish socially. Okay, so let's have a look at Canva Free, which is the basic version. So this is a little one that I've just made up using a different email account. The other one is linked to my Facebook page, but this one is actually linked to my email. So you can see that this particular one doesn't have much on it at the moment because I use the Facebook one more because it's got Canva Pro on it. This is a free version, and as you can see, there's not as many options down the left hand side. I can go recommended designs to create, recent designs, all my designs, brand kit. There's nothing in brand kit at the moment because you need to upgrade to Pro to be able to use brand kit. We'll have a look at brand kit in another video. All your folders, I've got nothing saved on this account, but this account is also, as you can see, is part of a team, which I've also tried to set up, just learning how to use Canva. So this particular one is part of a team called Rattle Your Dags, and the team folder is actually empty because whatever you make on your account is private for you unless you actually go to your team folder, then to designs, and then you can create your own. It must have changed it since I last looked at this. So I haven't used the team option, mainly because I work on my own. Okay, so creating a design in Canva for free is exactly the same as in normal Canva with the Canva Pro like I've been showing you. We don't want Canva for free. We don't want Canva Pro on this account because I already have a Canva Pro account. So I'm just going to select a template. let's see. Okay, so let's go with this template here, the weekend makeup sale. If I click on that, I get this pop-up saying White Stroke Beauty Makeup Facebook cover. That's the name of this particular template from Canva. If I go use this Canva template, it will open up in a new tab. So let's just make some basic changes. I'm going to take the word weekend out, makeup sale. And something like that. Nice and simple. So with this one, I've got the Try Canva Pro option. If I were to add anything else to this, you can see I've got options down the side here. Also notice that the resize option has a little crown next to it, which means it's only available in Canva Pro. The only options I've got really for this one is to download, or I can share the link. I don't have as many options as with the other one. Let's see what I'll do. I might try and save this one to the Google Drive. Okay, I now have my Google Drive connected on this account. It's actually asking me which of my folders that I want it to save into. I'm going to save it into the Nutrimetics folder. So select Nutrimetics and then just go save. The download is now viewable in Google Drive. So that's another option if you're working with a team and you want to be able to share information. Also, if files are in your Google Drive, we'll come back to this in another video, but you can use a plugin in Google Docs to create your WordPress blogs and include your own images. And then when you can export direct from Google Drive to your WordPress blog as a draft, and it will automatically upload all the videos or all the media for you as part of the upload. Okay, let's go back to our design in Canva. Now remember that this one is not the professional account, so don't have as many options available. I'm going to close this tab here and go back to my main folder in Canva. So if I go home, right, this one anyway. So from our Canva account, we can actually check out how much it does cost for Canva Pro. And free version, of course, is nothing, and you get 8,000 templates to choose from, which is all we've got in our little free account. 100 design types. It's great if that's all you need or you're just starting out to see how you like Canva. The one that I've gone for, though, is what's marked as best value, is their Pro version. It's Australian $13.99 a month, which is great. Or you can pay $18 a month, billed monthly, which is what I'm doing at the moment. It's got everything that free has, plus a lot more, plus you get lots of options. Custom templates. You can actually create your own templates with the Pro version and share them with others. We might have a look at how you do that in another video again. The Enterprise version is a lot more expensive. It's $46 per user per month, billed yearly. Now that is per user. So if you're in a large organisation, how many people you would like to link to your account, that can get quite expensive. Now the Pro one is also per user per month, billed yearly. And also if you're working with a team, then each member of that team would need their own Pro account and would need to have be able to work in your team. If you're working in the Enterprise one, it will cost the business $46 per month per user, right? But you do get what they call a single sign-on. So everyone in the organisation would just be using the one account. Whereas if you're in a team, each team member can have their own professional account, and keep their designs separate stuff that's not involved with the team. So I prefer the Pro version mainly because it's just me working on my own. And if it's only a small group, like 2 or 3 people that you trust, then I don't see a problem with sharing passwords and login details with, so if you're your boss, you've got an account for the business, and then if you've got an administrative assistant, the administrative assistant, if they're working for you, should be able to log in on your account. So you can get away with using the Pro version. If it's just 1 or 2, maybe 3, I wouldn't use it for any more than that. I would jump over to the Enterprise. Okay, so we might leave it there for today. We've gone a little bit over our 10 minutes that I like to keep our videos to. I'll have a coffee and we'll see you next week. Bye.